Well, on Saturday, N. Srinivasan took the cover of a BCCI probe when questioned about his son-in-law Gurunath Mayappan. But now BCCI Treasurer Ajay Shirke has questioned the credibility of the panel, of which he is a member too. Shirke, while speaking exclusively to Times Now, says charges in the spot-fixing scandal are criminal in nature, hence the panel has no credibility to conduct the probe.
The BCCI president's attempt to hide behind his self-appointed probe panel, not even finding support within the BCCI. With IPL Governing Council member accepting that the panel appointed by Srinivasan is toothless.
Or the alleged crimes are of a criminal nature under the Gambling Act and different statutes of the country. And they are already under a very larger or a bigger investigation that is headed by the police of the country and other agencies. So clearly this committee cannot judge the innocence or otherwise of Mr. Mayappan.
Not once but twice reiterating the fact that this panel does not have the ability to investigate Srinivasan's arrested son-in-law M. Gurunath.
The point here is that the scope and brief of that committee will be severely limited because there is a larger investigation which is already set in motion.
Ajay Shirke's admission closely following the demand made by BCCI member Jyotiraditya Scindia, calling for Srinivasan's ouster.
Considering the environment that cricket is in today, I do think that if you combine the fact of a conflict of interest and his own family member being involved in an ongoing investigation, it is in the fitness of things and more from a spirit point of view and proprietary point of view that I do believe that he should step aside.
This is Rohan from Times Now. I just wanted to ask you this. You're the captain of the Indian cricket team. You lead the Indian cricket fraternity at this point of time. Indian cricket has been hit by the biggest crisis since 2000 and yet we haven't heard from you. You didn't attend two IPL press conferences. Now you are here. You're not willing to answer. Why is it that there is no voice from your side, being the Indian captain, the leader of Indian cricket at this point of time? Why is he silent?
Next question, please.
No, let him answer. He's the captain of India. He's the captain of
India. This is
India.
not related to Champions Trophy.
Yeah, right. I'm asking about the crisis that the Indian cricket team is going through right now.
Yeah, next question, please. Next question.
It is related to Indian cricket right now.
Okay. You give the mic to him, he will answer later. First, you give the mic to him.
He's the captain of India.
Earlier, the BCCI appointed manager did not allow Times Now to ask direct questions to the Indian skipper. Now the BCCI says Dhoni lacked the spine to take questions from Times Now.
I do not think that it was right, but it was up to Mr. Dhoni as a leader and as a captain to take his own call. When the question of spine comes, whether a person has the spine or otherwise, at the end of the day, that particular person has to take the call.
With BCCI member accepting that the panel is not equipped to probe Srinivasan's son-in-law, why this sham? And with BCCI saying that there's no gag on Dhoni, should the Indian skipper come forward and assure the Indian cricket fan? Bureau Report, Times Now.